I'm a process development engineer. So that means I work on development of process for the manufacturing line.
Develop and implement updates to our manufacturing process such that our cells at the end of line have higher efficiency or higher yield.
Taking solar cells that are made by the front end group and turning them into products that we sell to customers.
The engineering team works together really well.
They were collaborative and helpful to each other.
When you're really busy with something, you know that there's always somebody to come lend a hand.
There's people with a wide variety of skill sets.
A lot of people come from a background in silicon. A lot of people come from a background in solar cells.
Within my team and among different teams, we can go and ask each other questions.
So it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of back and forth.
My favorite part is how collaborative everybody is.
I'm really excited about working on new materials that I think have particularly unique characteristics in the solar cell field.
Trying to do things that people have never done before. Trying to push the limits of the technology and do something that has never been done. That's where the rush comes from.